Hello guys and welcome back again to our channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to make any picture or any objects black and white. So with that being said, let's get ahead and start our tutorial. Now we click on File, in New, and then we choose our template from Photoshop library. If you have any other customized template, you can just click on any of those and change the values from here. For me, I'm gonna choose and stick up with this one and click on Create. After doing so, I'm going to remove this one or keep it. I will just remove the lock, and then I will drag, for example, two pictures to try the black and white editing on both. For example, I will bring these two. Alright, now let's drag this one and drag this one as well. Let's make them both the same size so we can see them both. Now, how can we do the black and white edit? It is pretty simple. You have two options to three. The first one, which is clicking on this layer and then clicking on adjustments, and then from here hue and saturation, and you can reduce this one. From this effect you can just make it black and white. The other option, which is clicking on this layer, for example, and then again this icon and click on black and white. These two options are completely different and they have completely different result, but the same effect has been added, which is black and white, and this picture is black and white, but this one is perfectly black and white. So for example, let's say that you only wanted to make this the girl black and white without the background. How can you do so? Well, it's pretty simple. You just need to drag selecting tool and then select the girl face or body, and from now you can click again on black and white, and here you go. The only shape that has been became black and white is the girl, but the background stays the same. So if you stayed guys until this moment, please thanks for watching and leave a like. Bye bye.